Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Bilasya Vani na Kadapi Me Shruta. Video part 2. In the previous part, we have discussed till the jackal was returning to the line as if the cave always used to invite the jackal when he returns at sunset. Today we'll discuss about the response of a lion to the tricks made by the jackal and what had happened further with the remaining content of the lesson. Now we'll move to the remaining part of the lesson. तदहम् अस्य आह्वानं करोमि एवं सः बिले प्रविश्य मे भोज्यं भविष्यति इत्थं विचार्य सिंहः सहसा शृगालस्य आह्वानम् अकरोत् सिंहस्य उच्चगर्जनप्रतिध्वनिना सा गुहा उच्चैः शृगालम् आह्वयत् अनेन अन्येऽपि पशवः भयभीताः अभवन् I'll repeat. तदहम् अस्य आह्वानं करोमि एवं सः बिले प्रविश्य मे भोज्यं भविष्यति इत्थं विचार्य सिंहः सहसा शृगालस्य आह्वानम् अकरोत् सिंहस्य उच्चगर्जनप्रतिध्वनिना सा गुहा उच्चैः शृगालम् आह्वयत् अनेन अन्येऽपि पशवः भयभीताः अभवन् शब्दार्थाः तत् that अस्य caves प्रविश्य having entered मे मम my भोज्यं food भविष्यति will become इत्थं in this manner विचार्य by thinking सहसा suddenly शृगालस्य jackals आह्वानम् अकरोत् made noise सिंहस्य lions उच्चगर्जन roaring loudly प्रतिध्वनिना by the echo उच्चैः loudly आह्वयत् called अनेन by that अन्येऽपि other animals also पशवः animals भयभीताः frightened अभवन् became Meaning of the paragraph. तदहम् अस्य आह्वानं करोमि then I'll make the noise of the cave. एवं सः बिले प्रविश्य मे भोज्यं भविष्यति so that the jackal enter into the cave will become my food. इत्थं विचार्य सिंहः सहसा शृगालस्य आह्वानम् अकरोत् by thinking in this manner the lion suddenly started talking to jackal. सिंहस्य उच्चगर्जनप्रतिध्वनिना सा गुहा उच्चैः शृगालम् आह्वयत् The cave called the jackal loudly through the loud roaring of a lion with an echo of the cave. अनेन अन्येऽपि पशवः भयभीताः अभवन् by which the other animals also became frightened. I'll repeat. Then I'll make the noise of the cave so that the jackal enter into the cave will become my food. By thinking in this manner, the lion suddenly started talking to jackal. The cave invited the jackal loudly through the loud roaring of a lion with an echo of the cave, by which the other animals also became frightened. शृगालोऽपि ततः दूरं पलायमानः इमम् अपठत् अनागतं यः कुरुते स शोभते स शोच्यते यो न करोत्यनागतं वनेत्रसंस्थस्य समागता जरा बिलस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुताम् I'll repeat. शृगालोऽपि ततः दूरं पलायमानः इमम् अपठत् अनागतं यः कुरुते स शोभते स शोच्यते यो न करोत्यनागतं वनेत्रसंस्थस्य समागता जरा बिलस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुताम् I'll repeat. अनागतं यः कुरुते स शोभते स शोच्यते यो न करोत्यनागतं वनेत्रसंस्थस्य समागता जरा बिलस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुताम् शब्दार्थाः ततः from there दूरं very far पलायमानः escaped imam this अपठत् read अनागतं forthcoming यः who कुरुते do शोभते happy शोच्यते suffer or feel difficult संस्थस्य residing जरा old samagata became kadapi never Meaning of the paragraph. Shigalopi tataha duram palayamanaha imam apatat. The jackal escaped to a very far distance and chanted this. Shigalopi tataha duram palayamanaha imam apatat. The jackal escaped to a very far distance and chanted this. Anagatam yakurute sashobhate. अनागतं यः कुरुते स शोभते. One who take preventions of the dangers will be happy. One who take preventions of the dangers will be happy. सशोच्यते यो न करोत्यनागतम्. सशोच्यते यो न करोत्यनागतम्. He'll suffer who don't take preventive measures of the dangers or destructions. He'll suffer who don't take preventive measures of the dangers or destructions. वनेत्रसंस्थस्य समागता जरा. वनेत्रसंस्थस्य समागता जरा. I became old by living in this forest. I became old by living in this forest. बिलस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुता. बिलस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुता. But I didn't hear a word of a cave yet. बिलस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुता. But I didn't hear a word of a cave yet. That is a talking cave. Only a stupid would certainly think that a cave can talk. Moral of the story is, presence of mind is the best weapon to protect oneself in every sphere of life. Presence of mind is in every sphere of life. Now we'll discuss the book back exercises. The first exercise, Ucharanam Kurutha. Pronounce the terms Kasmachit, Vichintya, Sadvidam, Kshudartaha, Etat Shrutva, Bhaya Santrasa Manasam, Simha Pada Paddatihi, Samahvanam, Pratidvanihi. Now we'll move to the second exercise, Eka Padena Uttaram Likhatha. The first question, Simhasya Nama Kim? What is the name of a lion? Kharanakaraha. Second question, Guhayaha Swami Kaha Asi? Dhadiputshaha. Who is the owner of the cave? Dhadiputshaha. The third question, Simhaha Kasmin Samaye Guhayaha Samipe Agataha. When did the lion reach the cave? Suryasta Samaye. At the time of sunset. Hastapadadikaha kriyaha kesham na pravartante. Whose hands and legs will be inactive? Bhaya santrasta manasam. The people who are frightened. The last question. Guha kena pratidhvanita. By what means the cave produced echo? Ucha garjanena. By the loud roaring. Now we'll move to the third exercise, Purna Vakyena Uttarata. Answer in a single sentence. The first question, Kharanakaraha Kutra Prativasatisma. Where did the Karanakaraha live? Kharanakaraha Vane Prativasatisma. Kharanakaraha lived in a forest. The second question, Mahatim Guham Drishtva Simhaha Kim Achintayat. What did the lion think himself? By seeing a big cave. Mahatim Guham Drishtva Simhaha Achintayat Nunam Etasyam Guhayam Kopi Jivaha Agachati Ataha Atraiva Nigudho Bhutva Tishtami Iti. The lion thought himself, by seeing a big cave, definitely there'll be an animal living in this cave, so I'll be hidden here itself and stay. The third question, Shrigalaha Kim Achintayat. What did the jackal think? Shrigalaha Achintayat Aho Vinashtosmi Nunam Asmin Bile Simhaha Asti Iti Tarkayami Tatkim Karavani. The jackal thought himself, alas, I'm dead. I think definitely there is a lion inside the cave. What to do? Fourth question, Shrigalaha Kutra Palayitaha. Where do the jackal escape? Shrigalaha Tataha Duram Palayitaha. The jackal escaped from there to a very far distance. The fifth question, Guha Samipam Agatya Shrigalaha Kim Pashyati. Guha Samipam Agatya Shrigalaha किं पश्यति? What did the jackal notice when he reached the cave? गुहा समीपम् आगत्य शृगालः सिंहपदपद्धतिः पश्यति. The jackal noticed the footprints of a lion when he reached the cave. कः शोभते? Who will be happy? अनागतं यः कुरुते सः शोभते. The one who take the preventive measures of the disaster or dangers will be happy. Fourth exercise. रेखांकित पदानि आधृत्य प्रश्न निर्माणं कुरुत. Frame a question for the underlined terms. The first question: क्षुधातः सिंहः कुत्रापि आहारं न प्राप्तवान्. The lion which was hungry couldn't get food anywhere. क्षुधातः is an adjective, simhaha is a noun, hence कीदृशः is an appropriate answer. क्षुधातः कीदृशः. Second question: दधिपुच्छः नाम शृगालः गुहायाः स्वामी आसीत्. The jackal named Dhadipuchaha was the owner of the cave. Even though the term Dhadipuchaha is in Pullingam, but the meaning of the term depends upon the term Nama is in Napumsakalingam. Hence, Kim is an appropriate answer. The third question: Yesha Guha Swaminaha Sada Akvanam Karoti. The cave always used to invite the owner. Here, Swaminaha is an Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Hence, Kasya is an appropriate answer. The next question: Bhaya Santrasa Manasam Hastapadadikaha Kriyaha na Pravartante. The hands and legs of the people who are frightened will be inactive. Hastapadadikaha Kaha. Next question: आह्वानेन शृगालः बिले प्रविश्य सिंहस्य भोज्यं भविष्यति. The jackal entering into the cave by the call will become the food of the lion. Bile Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam and it is a locative case, hence Kutra is an appropriate answer. Bile Kutra. We'll move to the fifth exercise. घटना क्रमानुसारं वाक्यानि लिखत. Make the sequence of a sentence. The first sentence: गुहायाः स्वामी दधिपुच्छः नाम शृगालः समागच्छत्. The owner of the cave, दधिपुच्छः named jackal, reached. Second sentence: सिंहः एकां महतीं गुहाम् अपश्यत्. The lion saw a big cave. Third one: परिभ्रमन् सिंहः क्षुधातः जातः. The lion became hungry by roaming here and there. Next sentence: दूरस्थः शृगालः रवं कर्तुम् आरब्धः. The jackal started making a noise from the distance. Next sentence: सिंहः शृगालस्य आह्वानम् अकरोत्. The lion responded to a jackal by making a noise. Next sentence: दूरं पलायमानः शृगालः श्लोकम् अपठत्. The jackal escaped to a very far distance and chanted a shlokam. Next sentence: गुहायां कोऽपि अस्ति इति शृगालस्य विचारः. The thought of a jackal is that there is someone inside the cave. Now we'll sequence the sentence. The first sentence: परिभ्रमन् सिंहः क्षुधातः जातः. Second one: सिंहः एकां महतीं गुहाम् अपश्यत्. The third one: गुहायाः स्वामी दधिपुच्छः नाम शृगालः समागच्छत्. Fourth one: गुहायां कोऽपि अस्ति इति शृगालस्य विचारः. Fifth one: दूरस्थः शृगालः रवं कर्तुम् आरब्धः. Sixth one: सिंहः शृगालस्य आह्वानम् अकरोत्. Seventh one: दूरं पलायमानः शृगालः श्लोकम् अपठत्. Now we'll move to the sixth exercise, Yatha Nirdesham Uttarata. Answer to the directed question. First question: एकां महतीं गुहां दृष्ट्वा सः अचिन्तयत्. अस्मिन् वाक्ये कति विशेषणपदानि? संख्यया सह पदानि अपि लिखत. He thought by seeing a big cave. How many adjectives are used in this sentence? Together with the number, name the adjectives also. There are two adjectives used in this sentence. They are ekam and mahatim. Next question: तदहम् अस्य आह्वानं करोमि. अत्र अहम् इति पदं कस्मै प्रयुक्तम्? I'll make the noise of that. To whom the term aham is represented? Simhaya. To a lion. The next question. Yadi tvam mam na ahvayasi. Asmin vakye kartrupadam kim? If you are not calling me, what is the subject of this sentence? Tvam, you. The fourth question. Simha pada paddhatihi guhayam pravishta drishyate. Asmin vakye kriya padam kim? It is seen that the footprints of the lion entering into the cave. What is the verb of this sentence? Simha pada paddhatihi guhayam pravishta drishyate. Asmin vakye kriya padam kim? It is seen that the footprints of the lion entering into the cave. What is the verb used in this sentence? Drishyate, seen. Next question. Vanetra samsasya samagata jaram. Asmin vakye avyaya padam kim? Atra. I became an owl by living in this forest. What is the indeclinable used in this sentence? Atra, here. Indeclinables are the terms which does not respond to the lingam vachanam vibhakti of the sentence. That is, it is constant irrespective of the lingam vachanam and vibhakti. Now we will move to the seventh exercise. Manjushataha avyaya padani chitva riktasthānāni purayata. Fill in the blanks with the indeclinables given in the help box. The meanings of the indeclinables are kaśchana, some, dure, far, nichaihi, down, yada, when, tada, then, yadi, if, tarhi, then, param, but, cha, and, sahasa, suddenly or quickly. Now we'll proceed with the paragraph. Ekasmin vane dash vyadaha jalam vissirya dash sthitaha. Now we'll fill the two blanks with the terms kaśchana and dure. Ekasmin vane kaśchana vyadaha jalam vissirya dure sthitaha. The meaning of the sentence. A hunter in a forest stood away from the net which he had spreaded. We'll move to the next sentence. Kramashah akashat sapparivarah kapotarajah dash agachat. Now we'll fill the blank with the term nichaihi. Meaning of the sentence. Gradually the king of a pigeon came down from the sky with his family. Kramashah akashat sapparivarah kapotarajah nichaihi agachat. Kramashah, gradually, akashat, from the sky, sapparivarah, with his family, kapotarajaha, a king of a pigeon, nichaihi, down, agachat, came. Dash kapotaha tandulan apashyan, dash tesham lobho jataha. We'll fill the two blanks with the terms yada and tada. Yada kapotaha tandulan apashyan, tada tesham lobho jataha. The meaning of the sentence. When the pigeons saw the rice spreaded on the ground, then they became tempted. Yada kapotaha tandulan apashyan, tada tesham lobho jataha. When the pigeons saw the rice spreaded on the ground, then they became tempted. Param Raja sagamataha na asit. But the king was not consent. Tasya yuktihi asit dash vane kopi manushyaha nasti. Here one blank is missed. Dash kutaha tandulanam sambhavaha. Now we'll fill the two blanks with the terms yadi and tarhi. Now we'll see the meaning. Tasya yuktihi asit yadi vane kopi manushyaha nasti tarhi kutaha tandulanam sambhavaha. The meaning of the sentence. But the king was not consent. He had an opinion that if no people are living in this forest, then how does the rice come? Dash Rajnyah Upadesham Asvikritya Kapotaha Tandulan Khaditam Pravrittaha Jale Dash Nipatitaha. Now we'll fill the two blanks with the terms Param and Cha. Param Rajnyah Upadesham Asvikritya कपोताः तण्डुलान् खादितुं प्रवृत्ताः जाले च निपतिताः. But by rejecting the advice of the king, the pigeons started eating the rice and they caught in the net. Atah uktam dash vidadita na kriyam, and this blank will be filled by the term sahasa. Atah uktam sahasa vidadita na kriyam, and the meaning of the sentence. That's why it is said we should not be in haste in doing the things, because haste makes waste. With this we have completed the second chapter. Dhanyavadaha.